friend. Here's astrology forecast for Taurus for March 2014, because this month it's more emotional Pisces energy and it's more quiet energy, but you need to see that your main planet Venus is start to go in Aquarius, and it's much more freedom, it's much more like you start to breathing more easy way, and after 7 March you feel more freedom inside yourself, and you feel my freedom. And it's about community work, when you work with your command, with your people, and you feel, it's my people, I love my people, I love my friends, and it's all this month it's like friends and love, it's very close to each others, and you need to see that now energy of love, it's energy of freedom, and your main energy of Taurus, it's Venus, love, and you put this love into community space, into your friend relationship, and it's Aquarius, it's air, it's air energy, and it's very easy, because last 3 months, December, January, February, your main planet Venus stay in Capricorn, and it's very hard energy. You don't feel easiness inside, you like always in stress, you always inside some tension, you don't have freedom. But now, after 7 March, your main planet go in Aquarius, and you feel, I'm free, my friends, and it's so much energy in this, and it can be very easy, very open heart way to your success, because it's very important to your career energy, and it's give you career energy. And these first days of March you have some communication with your partner, but really you stay much more brighter. Your partner is like, okay, my friends, okay, but but in the end of the March, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 March, you will have very strong partner connection, and these partners give you so much energy, sometimes partner give you very critic moments, but it's give you big growth. It's really very important time to grow for you in career, because career with community. I'm not alone. I'm with my friends, and we are do career. We are do great business like this. Really, it can be about information business, because it's about Aquarius. It's internet business. It's computer business. You can grow in this business very well in this month and use this energy. And in the end of March, you will find many connections with your partner. It can be your private partner, it can be your friends, but you always find a lot of energy of communication to grow in your career, in your money situation. It can be very useful for you. Please use it. And another moment, very important moment, that your main planet of relationship, Mars, it's like Mars is symbolize Scorpio energy, and Scorpio is your opposite sign, it's your partner, it's your second half. It's like, you are my mirror, you are my partner, and this Mars start to go retrograde. It means your relationship, your mind about your idea about relationship start to go back, and you start to think about some past ideas about relationship. For example, you can remember your relationship few years before and start to think, I want to back to this relationship. Really, this Mars, you can find some ideas inside your mind about, I want to back to my friends, which was 10 years before, and it was, wow, it was nice relationship, I want to back it. and you need to see that this moment it's not about future, and this position Mars retrograde, it will be March, April and May. It's like 3 months you will stay in situation of relationship, past relationship. It's not about future relationship, it's about, oh, I want to back in my memory. And you not see what's going on around, you see inside yourself, in your inside, oh, I want this relationship, oh wow, it was so nice, it was so cool relationship. And you need to be aware, you don't, please don't decide main question about relationship in this time, in March, April and May, because if you decide something important, oh, okay, I'll back in this relationship and I will be staying this, because after May, in June, July, you change your vision about relationship. It's only this few months, March, April and May, you will have one idea about relationship, and this idea it's only in these 3 months, not longer. And you don't need to create some big decision in this time, in this March, April and May. Please don't create important decision about relationship here in March, April and May, because it will change it in June. Okay, that's main ideas about career, about your relationship, and maybe you have some nice decision about your home, and it can be in 11, 12 February or March, and it can be 19 March, it can be it can be it can be 14 March, and it can be 21, 22, 23 March. Because 13, 14 March you can have nice conversation with your partner about your home, and it can be very useful communication, because you have some big idea about, okay, let's decide this about my home and let's do this. It will be like you find very important point to see what to do with your home and how to be with your home. And another moment you can have some crazy ideas, 21, 22, 23 March about your house. It can be, you need to be careful with these ideas, because it can sound like something amazing. I want home with 5 level. Oh yeah, I want 5. No, I want 10 level in my home. You really can create some crazy ideas. 21, 23, 20, 22, 23 March. Please try to see these ideas, because these ideas will be very influential for you full year, full 2014. It's because it will be like some crazy stuff. Really, let's look how it will be, and maybe you write some your feedback about this situation. I will be happy to see how you feel this, how it works for you in this March, and I will be very happy for your comments, how you find this information, and I will be happy for your likes. You can join to channel and to see more info about about this astrology, about these planets. Thank you very much, my friends, and see you. Bye.